Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since you're in the standard photo mode, you can take a look at this option bar. We have to tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner to unroll it, and on the second position in a second row we've got the timer. We've got 4 different options to choose from: the off option, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So basically it's so easy. If you want to set the timer, just tap on the option like to use. So let me pick 10 seconds. Right now it is highlighted, so we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time, of course 10, 5 or 3, whichever option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, so basically this is how it works. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just tap on this crossed out timer, kind of timer or clock icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.